Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today I'll show you how to connect Pepperstone to MetaTrader 5 PC. So let's get started. First, open Pepperstone and log in to your account. Click Add a Trading Account. You can also add a live trading account, but I'll choose a demo account for this tutorial. The process is the same. Now select the platform MetaTrader 5. Enter a nickname, select your currency, choose Standard as the account type, and set the demo account balance. Click Submit. As you can see, your MT5 demo account has been created. All your login and password details will be sent to the Gmail account linked with Pepperstone. Go to your Gmail, copy the login ID and password, and then open MetaTrader 5. On MT5, go to the top left corner and click File. Then select Open an Account. In the search bar, type Pepperstone. Select Pepperstone Group Limited and click Next. Now enter the login ID and password you copied from Gmail. Choose the correct server, demo or live, and click Finish, and you're done. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.